Today, I want to show you how simple it is to collect cricket news articles from smh.com.au using Minexa.ai, no matter your background or tools. First, open the smh.com.au cricket news page where all articles are listed. From here, open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension by clicking its icon at the top right. With the panel open, click the violet button labeled I'm on the right page so Minexa.ai can analyze the layout and identify the cricket news list. The scan is complete, the results block is identified, and nothing has been missed in the cricket news articles list. At this point, choose whether to scrape only the list or also the detail page each article links to. For most websites, clicking Continue is enough, but use Advanced if you need to click or fill something before the list appears. Minexa.ai spotted your data and highlighted the main container. Click Create Scraper and it learns every field automatically for cricket news articles. Every piece of data found, including article titles, dates, and summaries, is now selectable. Choose what you need, and extraction will stay consistent forever. Developers, click API Request and copy the code. The scraper ID is already included. Just add your URLs to start extracting cricket news data programmatically. Validate the configuration with one click, and the scraper setup for cricket news articles is ready to go. Minexa.ai detected the pagination automatically. Every run will move through all pages of cricket news without extra setup. Last step. Push results to Google Sheets or set a recurring schedule, then complete the setup to automate your cricket news extraction. Click Run, and extraction begins across all pages, gathering cricket news articles with dates automatically and efficiently. The scraper is saved and ready for repeated use on similar pages without retraining. Extracted data includes headlines, publication dates, authors, and summaries for cricket news articles. Hit Export to save the full cricket news dataset directly to your computer in your preferred format. Minexa.ai turns any website into a structured dataset automatically. No coding is needed, and developers can scale easily with a single scraper ID, handling millions of pages accurately.